back to my channel. It's your girl Rebekah Elaine, and today's gonna be another episode of Loc Diaries. As you can tell, if you've been on my channel before, if you're a subscriber, then you know I'm not at home, I'm out traveling. But I posted a picture yesterday and everybody wanted to know, how did I get my hair like that? So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and record it, and I will go ahead and put it out for you guys. So here we go. Honestly, it's a simple high bun in my opinion with the head wrap. So I'll just show you. All we need is 5 things total. The head wrap that I'll show you guys in a second, a hair net, which you can actually buy on my website, www.elaineessentials.com. I have a big hair tie, which you guys, everyone asks me where I get these from, and I've had this for years. I've held on to it because it's really big and it's sturdy. I have to find these, and if I can find them, I will link them, but I can't remember where I bought it from. Then I'm using this bomb glue. I talked about this in the previous video. It actually works really well for my edges. And then my little edge toothbrush. I had an edge brush, but it's too hard, and so a soft toothbrush is what works best for me. So as you can see, I'm just working with my locks in like their natural state. I call this their natural state because it's not in like a twist out or anything like that. I washed my hair yesterday, and this is what we're working with. I just got out the shower, so my edges are wet because I washed my face, but that's fine because it makes it easier for me to mold my edges when I'm ready to. All right, so we're gonna see if we can get this all recorded. It's super simple, but when I say see if we can get it all recorded, it's because I have to like flip my head upside down in order to get the bun in there. But hopefully you guys understand that process. So let's just jump right in. And I just fingered on my hair like forward, just to make sure there's nothing caught, no knots or anything. And I kind of just determined where I want the bun. So last night I wanted it like right here, basically on the top of my head. So once we get the placement right, I'm just going to use this guy. And you can either wrap it 2 or 3 times. So if I want it to be super secure, I wrap it 3 times. If I don't want a headache by the end of the day, I wrap it twice. So you gotta choose your battles. Let's see. Like the longer my hair gets, the harder it is to do something as simple as a ponytail. For the sake of wanting it to look nice for you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it 3 times. Last night when I wore it, I only had it wrapped twice because again, I didn't want a headache by the end of the night. You guys can probably hear the cicadas outside too. I hear them. Okay, so now we just have like a cute high ponytail. And so guys, this is where it gets really simple, and this is why I love these hair nets and why I decided to just go ahead and have them available on my website. This one actually has a hole in it, so I will say the hair nets are really delicate, so there's a hole in this one. So when you buy them, just be aware that they can, I reuse mine all the time, even with the holes, as you're going to see. But just know that they're super delicate, so you have to be careful with them. But I'm putting packs of 10 on my website, so you'll be able to just if you make a hole or can't reuse one, you can use it again. So what I do is like finger all my locks forward, and then I'm taking the hairnet, and these hairnets have like a little knot on it. I'm just gonna put the knot in the back and try to capture all my locks in the hairnet. The reason I put the knot in the back because that's like, it's the longest part, or it allows me to get the longest part of the net around the locks. And you see how everything's sort of captured. You see something's coming out, but that's okay. You see that? Super simple, everything's in. And then literally I'm going to wrap. So I'm holding the very tip of the hairnet, all my hair is in there, and I'm just gonna wrap it in whichever direction. So yesterday I think I had it wrapped to the left, as a matter of fact. I think, or was it to the right? Maybe, I think it was to the right, because that felt natural to me to do. And some of the locks may fall out, and that's perfectly fine. I'm trying to make it like super neat for y'all, but honestly I just daggone did it yesterday. So you see some are falling out, so I'm just gonna tuck them. So I gotta come down so you can see it, and wrap just like that. And you can perfect it however you want to. Like, I'll just mold it. And then this is the bottom of the hairnet. These locks that are out, I'm just tucking them into the hairnet. I'm trying to be careful because my nails are getting old. You know, when it gets old, it starts to snag like on the top part. So I'm trying to be careful not to let the net snag on there. But I'm just tucking whatever I can tuck. And then wrapping it around. Boom. Can y'all see that? Now it's so big I gotta bring my head down because my hair is long. But I'll try and go around. Can y'all see? So the bun is the star of the show, but in order for me to explain everything else, you're not gonna be able to see the bun because it's too big. So I'll come back, or I'll bring the bun back up in a second. So the next thing for me, my edges, the way that my edges naturally are is these hairs just don't go in my bun at all. So this is where this bomb glue comes in, and I just keep it simple to me. I know I always say it's simple, it's probably simple to me, but I just find like the little edge piece that's already out. Boom. I'm just gonna wrap it. It is easier when my hair is wet because this bomb glue is pretty thick, and if I was at home I would actually start with some mousse first, but I'm not at home. Once again, I'm traveling, and if you watch my travel vlogs then you'll know I'm with my girl T, so she's in here too. So if you need to do whatever you gotta do to get ready, you can't see you. So. Oh, okay. That's why when you walk about her video, they're like, what the hell is that? It can't see you, but they know you by now. Boom, boom, boom. So that's one. And then I'm just gonna do my little sideburn. Same thing, my sideburns are just I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror, so that's why I'm like looking over. So cute. And I did one, I mean, I'm dramatic with my sideburns anyway, or my edges anyway, but I wanted to go dramatic because I know that I was gonna have the head wrap on. So then from there, same thing on this side. This side is thicker. I don't know why. This side can probably, like when I do my retwist, most of this will probably be up in the lock and then this would just be out. But because it's not and it's out, we're just gonna add it to the sideburn. And this stuff, it does, like it initially comes on white, but then it blends in pretty well. And so far in my experience from wearing it for the last 2 days, it hasn't, like, you know, sometimes your edge control can turn white at the end of the day, or if you're sweating or something like that. That hasn't been the case for me as long as I get it blended right away. Sorry, I'm trying to look in. My hair is really thick, so I'm trying to just smooth it out because this will hold. Whatever style or whatever way I mold this, it's gonna hold. So, okay, I'm just gonna put all that in there. Even if you like doing whatever, if you walking around, I was walking around last night and it was hot and my little edges stayed. So already that's like what's making the style, if you ask me. I mean, the bun is the style, the bun is done. So if you guys wanted to see how I did my bun, that's done. This is just the extras, my signature look. This side, I wish that I was using a mirror so I could really see. Give me 2 seconds, y'all. I'm gonna check this mirror. Okay. That's good enough for me. Usually I would try and make it a little bit more dramatic, but whatevs. Okay, y'all, I had to put on moisturizer. Y'all didn't tell me. My face was dry. I thought we was cool. All right, so we got the edges as good as they're gonna get for now with me rushing. So now headscarf. So I bought this from Zara yesterday, and it's like it's not normally a head wrap, but it's a head wrap for me. So I'm just gonna like fold it in a triangle. It really came in a triangle already. And then I'm gonna fold that down one more time. So bring like the middle of the triangle there, so it's folded in half. And I'm holding on to that little diamond because that's gonna stay on the top. Well, it don't matter, it can go on the top or bottom. So actually, yeah, it's gonna be on the bottom. So I just put it behind my head like this. And then we bring it up. Bring it up. I'm gonna go across. I'm gonna turn it again. Nothing being pulled too tightly. Pull it back. I'm gonna push up to where I can see those beautiful edges we just made. I'm still just holding on to it, but then I'm just gonna tie loosely. I just did like a loose double knot. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. So then you can kind of adjust as needed. If I wanted to like pull it up more, but honestly I just like it like this. And then, sorry, I'm trying to back up so you guys can see me. And then it was cute yesterday because I just threw on some earrings. I should keep on the hair wrap today, but it does not go with my little athletic attire. But earrings, cute, cute, cute. And that's that. What do you guys think? I hope that was helpful for somebody. Again, if you want these hair nets, you can purchase them at www.elaineessentials.com, where you can also get some beautiful, beautiful natural hair oil. And most people ask me how I keep my locks so healthy, and to be very honest with you, that is the #1 product I've been using. My product, I created this product when I was loose natural, and then I've just been using it over the course of my natural hair journey, which has been in total about, so since 2014 I've been natural. I've been locked since 2017, and the whole time I've just been using my natural hair oil, my Elaine Essentials natural hair oil. So you guys can purchase that on the website as well. But this is it. I really hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.